So guys, next exercise which we'll do, it's butterfly position. We'll working with open our hips and stretching. So let's start. We'll get sit in this position, your legs more for your body. You can take your hands on your feet and start moving our legs that our hips is warm up and open and you feel your legs more better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we will take one leg strong, one will get stay in this position. If you so easy like that, you can move your leg more on your body and we'll get started. If it's hard, you push like that and we'll working. So we'll take a leg like that, takes our hands up and starting to push it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you put leg more on your leg, it's hip open more. So we will change. So I will take my leg and we'll do the same, pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, pushing down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for your watch. I hope that you like this exercise. I hope that you do it home and feeling good, feeling beautiful middle split. Follow me and text me like. So bye bye. Наговорила ерунды. Трансляшку еще одно видео, да?
Нет, все.
Bye bye guys. Thank you that you watch this stream. If you watch, I hope. Что там?
Да я не понимаю, как его отключить.
Все достанем уже.
Так.
Send me presents if you want.